kamusta? Today, I'm going to paint again, and I will show you the whole process of this painting from start to finish. For this painting, I'm planning to paint one of my favorite cities that has been in my bucket list. To be honest, this is very complicated because it has a lot of details in it. And without being said, let's start with sketching. Before I begin with this painting, I do apply it with 2 coats of gesso to create a smooth surface before starting the actual painting. I was concerned that if I didn't apply the gesso, it would be so much difficult for me to add the fine details due to the roughness of the canvas, like I did in some of my past paintings. Over the past few months of studying and working with acrylics, I've learned that it is much easier to mix the colors beforehand. This simplifies the painting process and prevent it from becoming overwhelming. But if you're concerned about the acrylics drying too quickly, don't worry, mine don't, because I use a satin glazing medium, so that this allows the paint on my palette to stay usable for up to 3 days. For the past few weeks, I've been in a bit of a rut. Every time I sat down to paint or sketch, it felt like so empty inside, you know? You know that feeling? I would start something to get halfway through, but I got immediately got bored and just lay down in my bed and just watch some anime. I just realized that part of the reason I felt stuck was I was putting too much pressure on myself into something needs to be always perfect. And I think that mindset left me no room for mistakes and to experiment other techniques, which is really sucks. then before I continue this painting, I want to take a moment to thank you to Dash Sketch Me for partnering with this video. So if you're like me, often struggle to find the perfect poses reference on a Pinterest, you are not alone. But you don't have to worry about that anymore, because there's an app called Just Sketch Me. Just Sketch Me lets you create a customized models to adapt to your characters with the best pose references. Just go to app and pick the characters models you want. It has a dozen of characters, 100 of props, and a full process of libraries that you can use as your references. I personally use this for some time because I always having trouble about perspective. But with this app, you can just toggle around and be as your model. So for me, this was so very useful if you're learning some anatomy. So if you're aiming for making a study about creating a characters like I do, you can sign up using the link in my description below. Do Just Sketch Me for free, with no time limit, and start creating. Did you know I've created a lot of motivational art videos in this platform, but I find it quite hard to apply it to myself. So if you've been feeling stuck or losing sight of your goals like me, I think it's perfectly okay to just take a break. I know for myself that this is not really just a burnout or art plug, because I still paint, you know. It feels like a sense of emptiness towards something I'd once enjoyed so much. Now it just feels exhausting. Okay, now we're almost done. If you feel stuck on something that you really love the most, I think the best thing we can do is just to move forward and be on the present, because you will never know what's gonna happen. So yeah, once again, I hope you enjoyed the video as usual, and see you on the next one.